I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a warm rinse to loosen dirt and soften hair. This makes products work better. Next, apply a small amount of beard wash and massage into the skin and hair for thorough cleansing. This removes oil and trapped debris so conditioners penetrate. Once done, rinse until water runs clear and gently pat dry. Excessive friction damages strands. Make sure to comb through to detangle any knots so the next steps apply evenly and you avoid product clumping. You apply conditioner or oil to damp beard so it locks in moisture. The why is simple. Hydrated hair is softer, less prone to breakage, and looks healthier. Work product into skin beneath the hair to prevent flaking, then distribute using a wide-tooth comb followed by a finer comb for smoothness. Once distributed, warm a small amount of balm between palms and apply to outer hairs to add texture and light hold. This step seals moisture and helps you shape the beard precisely. You finish by checking symmetry and trimming any stray ends. Trim conservatively in small steps so you don't overcut. Define the neckline and cheek lines with a steady hand or trimmer guide to frame your face. This sharpens the overall look. After trimming, brush through and reapply a light drop of oil to add shine. If something goes wrong, like uneven patches, don't panic. Blend slowly with scissors, grow for a week while increasing conditioning, and reassess. Consistent care fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.